In Norway, zookeeper Anne Greta has discovered an unusual bond with the most unlikely of animals. Yes, that is a wild moose licking her face. Still licking. Meet Sphere the moose. Anne and Sphere's story began 3 years ago after the animal was abandoned in the woods by her mother. But luckily for Sphere, she found another mummy, one that walks on 2 legs. Mother and moose daughter are inseparable, even now that Sphere has a child of her own.
Especially when she comes to giving birth to her new baby herself, when all the motherhood energy fills her, there will not be many people that could come into her private area.
They love nothing more than taking long walks in the countryside together, come rain or shine. And apparently Sphere is partial to a bit of scratching. Ooh yeah, that's the spot. Let's hope Anne and Sphere live happily ever after.